problem. My name is Ichsani Prabowo. You can call me Ichsani. How are you? Are you good? Okay. Here I am explain picture about of the mother nature. The first, what's happening in the picture? In my opinion, what's happening in the picture is that nature or forest that contain vast trees are the source of life for creatures. Nature with many trees is the word lungs because it produces oxygen. But now, nature is not strong enough to support everything in the world. Because now, forests are being cut down and vast areas of land are now being converted into settlement or have building built on them. It makes nature cry with today human behavior. Now to bullocks. What I see in the picture is that there is a picture of a green field with a woman face, which means that the field is the mother of nature because it produces oxygen source. But sad, tears because soon tall building will be built for the benefit of human. 3. Where is the shooting down? The image is taken in the wild, then edited and given other images that are related to age, others so that they have meaning. 4. When did the image occur? This has been happening from now on the future because with global warming and human interest, the lungs of the world will decrease so that it can cause various natural disasters such as landslide, flood, etc. 5. Why was the picture made? In my opinion, to make us aware of the importance of protective nature from damage and irresponsible people. And the last question, how do you know pictures are good subject? In my opinion, because the meaning of the pictures has a very deep meaning. We must protect nature and this ecosystem for the survival of creatures in the world. This picture gives a warning that if we can protect our nature, then natural disaster will occur, especially that stress must always be present for in order to produce good oxygen. We cannot view it with one perspective, that is, with human needs alone. We must also think about something else if we want to build building or settlement on fertile land and an area that produce oxygen. That is my explanation regarding the picture of the mother nature. I hope friends are healthy and take care of the health. Bye bye. Thank you.